Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Shawn in Illinois on his Stryker SR-447hpc2. Shawn's ready to go. We did the tune alignment to Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Hey, don't let the small size of this fool you. It's going to rock and roll. Start the 50 watt slug all the way down. Set it 2 watts, that way if you decide to run a 4-pill or something, you've got full adjustability. 15 all the way up. Show your average power swing. Hello. 40 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 82 peak. Rocking and rolling. Alright, Shawn, appreciate it, man. You got wise and you got trucker eyes from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get trucker eyes today.